it's the top one, the hinges are broken there and there and there, so as you can see it won't close right. So we'll deglaze it first. Right guys, so we've adjusted the hinges. That one's perfect. That one's still a little bit too far forward, so when the glass goes in it'll be heavy, so we're going to adjust it back on that side. And there you have it guys, one new handle. Just put the key there. So opening as you should do with no gaps. That's a safety child restrictor. So just put that there a second. And then that would be your fire escape. It's opening all the way. You would get out of there in the event of a fire, so it's good. The thing with these, you've got to make sure the restrictors catch when you close them. So there's your new hinges. Opening and closing nice as you should do. And then what you do to get your restrictor back on, you just give it a little bit of force. That goes down. Now that should now catch straight away. Hold on, there it is. See how it caught? So there's your child restrictor. Nice tight seal all the way around. That's how it should be, nice and tight. Happy days. Put on a new chrome handle saw as well, just to make it look a bit more modern.